The usage of cable ties has been a main practice as a retention method, though it does come with its limitations. Is there any way we can improve reliability, quality, and ease of use while reducing product loss? Introducing the BioTitan Retention Device. This innovation offers enhanced characteristic to mitigate the weaknesses of traditional cable ties. It enables the use of fluid management solutions in high-pressure applications. It also improves the risk assessment of bioprocesses. The BioTitan device can meet the challenges of pressure changes in single-use bioprocessing to provide you the confidence and security you need. With the BioTitan Retention Device, you can now enhance the reliability and integrity of your tubing assemblies. Bring this innovative tubing retention solution to your workflow. For more information, visit thermofisher.com/biotitan.